So to start the new document, we're going to go New, Print, A4 millimeters,
Oh, I'm not going to get out of assembly.
Landscape, and Create. Then we're going to place by going File, Place, find your scanned document,
Calgary, Alberta, Canada. I love it.
and place it on your whiteboard. You can rotate by hovering around the corners and dragging that in place. And then you're going to, from Essentials, change to Image Trace. Click the Image Trace button, Sketched Art, expand, right click or Object, Ungroup, Object, Ungroup. Using the black arrow, you can delete excessive marks. Using the rectangle tool, you can enter the height and width of 200 millimeters. Use the black arrow to drag your rectangle. Swap the fill and the stroke. You can click fill and none, and stroke and black. And now we're going to assign colours. Properties. You can select the colour by clicking in here. You can flip the colour, and we use the red for the cut and the green for the edge. So the outline will be red, the edge will be green. Save your image with your name, and a description of your image, and then place that on my Padua for laser cutting.